Are you ready? My fucking God. This is what you get when you have Dave. When you have Dave on the other team. Go! Yeah, we fucking said go. Do they want to die? Two moving right. Abe, watch right, watch right. Right. I'm moving. Hey, fall back a little bit. Come back a little bit. Huh? I know. I just want to be in a better spot when they do come up. Moving, he's moving.
Yep. Alright, someone shouldn't have this rock.
I think you're getting ricochets. You'll be alright. Keep your head down. Where's Zach?
Hold your fire.
Hold your fire!
Don't
Yeah, hold. Just don't shoot. Where is the underwear? In the lake?
Are y'all streaking?
They're gonna think that's like one of us, like rushing them.
It's nice and cool.
Yeah, I think underwear is nice and cold in the summer. What the fuck are you doing? What are they doing? They're running in like circles.
Oh.
Nice. They're gonna start like opening it. Oh fuck.
Oh.
There's a dog coming now. Back there. No, there's a dog back here.
Hold your fire.
Where?
Back there. It's running around back
Oh,
there.
yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, I do. It's black.
Is there a guy with it?
I haven't seen one.
All right.
That's what I call it.
If that dog comes close, don't fucking shoot it. Fuck me. There's a dog running around back, like behind our position, so if you see it, don't shoot it.
By himself?
Yeah, we don't see a guy with it. I don't know. We should be good to start, but just don't. If you see it, don't shoot it. Obviously. Did that go through? Oh, but it didn't sound like it. It sounded like it did. Ready? Good. Go, go, go. I don't know what I'm burping from.
Feel walking.
All right, hold fire. This is the annoying part about this spot.
Are there more people now?
Yeah, and another dog, I see.
Fucking Christ.
Oh, these dogs.
What the hell's going on? Where are they?
Are you hearing me, though? Are you hearing me through the radio?
What?
Can you hear me through there?
No.
Hello?
What happened? What'd you do?
I don't know.
You're on the wrong channel.
I thought, did I switch it to
think.
4 and nice?
Yeah.
Wait, how can I, but I can still hear it not talking?
Are the owners coming?
Yeah, you got switch. Just my advice: just keep them on the same channel. That way you don't have to.
Both of them?
Yeah, keep just both things on the same channel. It's easier that way.
You're gay, who day?
Yeah.
Stop fucking around and go.
Look at those. Oh, there's the other dog.
Fuck are
I
they
have
doing?
eyes on you and him.
I know, we're pretty.
Yeah.
You record?
Yeah. Is the light
How
flashing?
you doing?
Yeah.
All right.
Fucking tired.
God. Fucking walk, you old fucks.
That's your weakness.
You crusty fucks. Fucking go.
Guess we're not airsofting today.
What a shame. Get over there?
What? We good? All right. Oh. Ow. My leg. Oh my God, now there's people on bikes coming this way.
Hold your fire.
Hold your fire!
Hold your fire!
Fucking God. No, I see them over there. They're like across there. They're coming this way on the fucking bikes. Oh, you massive faggots. Stop riding your fucking bikes. What? Oh my God, here comes another fucking dog. Get your
Yeah, I saw the
fucking
dog.
mutt out of here. God. Don't you know we're trying to fucking play here?
Bikers. 3 bikers and a dog.
4 bikers.
off. Unicycle. Hmm? It's coming over here.
I'll be the house.
Did they run over the underwear? Where is the underwear? Oh, it's over there.
The dog takes it.
He's got it in his mouth.
They got their own geo.
Yeah, he's just nobody like he's hanging behind. Time is it?
12:30.
12:10.
Oh wow.
Why you got someone to be?
Yeah, I got work at 3.
That freaking Dave.
Oh yeah, me too.
Geo has work at 3.
I still want to be here.
Hey, we ready? You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hey guys, just letting you know, Geo has work at 3 and he has to leave.
No, I'm ready to
Ah,
go.
that's a shame. When's the party? Yo, calm down back there.
We good?